This next process is known as mounting to a rigid substrate. So the first thing you'll notice is that I've removed the print hold down roller so we have a clear access to the rollers themselves. My next step is I'll take a piece of rigid substrate that is the same thickness as what we're going to be mounting to. So I'll stick that into the rollers, and then I'm going to turn the roller down until I feel it touch, and then just give it that one little extra turn, put the machine in reverse, and back the board out. Now that gives us our perfect gap and pressure that we're going to need for doing the print. Make sure we put the switch back in the forward position. Then I'll set that board off to the side. We'll come over here to the print that we're going to mount to the board, and the first thing I'll do is I'll flip that over, and we'll start to peel back the liner that's protecting the adhesive on the back side of this print. And I'll peel that back about 2 inches, exposing that leading edge. So once I get that peeled back, we'll take this liner and we'll fold it over onto itself. And this will give us some a place where we can flip this over and hold the print up so it doesn't get stuck right away. You'll notice how it's flipping up. So take that, flip it over, then I'll line my print up so that I'm inside my board, start in the center, and then work my way out to the edges. Once I have that done, then I'll go back over to the machine, and we're going to use our foot pedal for this process. So I'll stick this into the machine, right into that nip area, and I'll flip the print over so that it's against the roller itself. Then, using my foot pedal, I'll bring that in. I'll go ahead and hold the print tight against the roller, and you'll see that I now have the release liner that I can hold on to. And I'll start that board in, and I'll just hold that tight on the roller, and I'm just going to pull that liner back. I don't want to pull it back too quickly, because then the print can drop onto the board and you can actually ruin the print. So I'm just pulling it back enough to keep it exposed at a good level, and I'm keeping that nice and tight. And you can see that I'm just pulling that back. I'm going to pull and pull. You don't want to let that liner get pulled into the machine. Once you hear it click and clear, I can just come around to the back side, grab our board, and there's our finished product. Now we can take this over and cut out the individual pieces on a board cutter.